Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, and being able to have a reusable cleaning bottle for my homemade cleaning solutions is really important to me. But I also want something that I know is going to last. Well, these amber glass bottles by Sally's Organic have been amazing, not just because of the durable, beautiful amber glass, but these spray nozzles are fantastic. They are so durable and they never miss a spray. I have used glass bottles from other companies before, and their nozzles gave out before I was even finished using the solution. These have no problem. I like that you have the option to do the misting spray or the stream spray, but then you can even turn it so that you don't have to worry about anything coming out when you're trying to squeeze it, which is great if you have little ones at home. Another great benefit of this company is that they do come with labels, and they're nice and large. So while this one just says soap, there is definitely room to be able to put all the ingredients of whatever it is that you're making or putting into these bottles. These are beautiful, they're durable, they're very convenient, and I just love them. But that's my point of view.